So by default, this plugin is applied to all gallery and summary blocks, but you can apply it only to specific blocks by using this target feature right here. And so if there's a specific summary or gallery block ID that you want to have this be applied to, then you can put that here. And so the way to find that block ID, if you click below, there's a Chrome extension that you can get, and that Chrome extension will allow you to see what the block ID is for that you want to target. Now the other way to go about this is, instead of taking this code here and applying it to your site-wide code injection footer, you can apply it just to the page header settings that you want to target. So real quick example, I'm going to go to a specific page and do this. So I would go to this page set and go to advanced, and then I would apply that code here. Right, so this makes it specific to this one page instead of the entire site. So yes.